Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I'm going to unbox an mic for rupees 299, but I got a cashback of 200 by using a code once a month in Paytm. Yeah, let I unbox it. And here's the bill. See this LS Smart Key Mobile enhancement, and it's about 299, and its actual price is about 99 by using a code once a month. And here is the mic. Yeah, the mic is good. So let me take it out. And here is the mic, and this is the mic. This will be useful for YouTubers while recording the videos. And it comes with one clip, collar clip, and here is the audio jack. The mic looks good. On my further videos I will use this mic for my videos. This is the video which I recording from my mic. Mic looks good, and I recommend this product from Paytm, and it's also cheap enough. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Give thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel.